Hello and welcome to Mountain of Models. This is my new intro video for the WarbossTae Painting Challenge 2017. I started doing my bootcamp last month, I think, and I just became busy with work things and I was away, and so, the usual things that happen in life. And so I think I got to bootcamp day 2 or day 3 and then it just disappeared. And so I'm back now for a bit, but basically I've had a change of plan about a project which I want to do. So just to go over quickly, I've got this guy here who was my original Mighty Lord of Khorne, which I was planning to paint as my boot camp, and then I was going to be painting one of each of the heroes for the battalions for the Bloodbound Warhorde. To define their schemes. That was what I was planning to do as my project. But a few things happened, which one was that the conversion is good, but it looks a bit too much like a demon prince, to a point where if you put it on the table and you didn't explain what it is, most people would go, oh, that's a demon prince with an axe. So that's fine. And so he is going to be, he could still be used as a Mighty Lord of Khorne, and he may be at some point, but for now he's going onto a shelf. And I am going to finish him. And I do plan to finish my boot camp, but it'll probably be in parallel or after my main painting challenge. So this guy here is my second attempt at a Mighty Lord of Khorne. So I'm much happier with him, as I think he no longer looks as demonic and could be a giant mortal. So for my boot camp, I will probably paint him on the remaining days and answer those videos as if I was going to continue that project. So he's going on the shelf for now. And so on to what my new plan for my project is. I'm going to, for this, not be doing a boot camp and just starting at day 1. And this is to do some Imperial Fists, which you can see I've started, which isn't planned as cheating. I just started doing it and then realised that the time it's going to take, it would be better if I did this as my project. So my project is to do a company of Primaris Marines. And so this guy here is my test model, who is not quite done, but he's kind of on his way. He just needs a wash, and his base looking slightly less bombed. But he doesn't matter because he is just a test model. He's not part of the actual project. I'm just using him as a reference. So for my project, I'm going to finish painting these guys who are in the background of the shot. So they're mostly the intercessors from Start Collecting Box, and then it's going to be a total of 100 Marines, which I'm going to assemble, build and paint over the 31 days. Yes, to make a company. And if you notice by the gold shoulder pads, I'm going to be doing the second company. So it's going to be a captain, 2 lieutenants, a chaplain, an apothecary, a Primaris Ancient, and then a unit of reavers, 3 units of not intercessors, the other one's inceptors. They all have unmemorable names, and 3 units of hell blasters, and 6 units of intercessors, and a dreadnought, which will bring it up to 102 models total, which is 100 models for the company, and the ancient and the apothecary count as they're like an attachment rather than part of the actual company numbers. So that's the plan, and the idea is that it will be both a full company and it will be a brigade detachment in 8th edition. I think points wise it's about 2,850 points, and I think as a list by itself it's not that viable, but I just want to do it as a painting project and get ready for armies on parade. And then once I've got that done, which I plan to have done by early September, which should fit in with the painting challenge. And then once I have that done for Arms and Parade, I'll get a board sorted, and I'm hoping to have 40k Army of Parade, finished by definitely by mid-December, and then I'm going to be working on my Age of Sigmar stuff for Army on Parade, which I think is the wrong order, but I think this will take less time. I mean, I at least get something done for it this year. Okay, so that's my intro video. I've waffled on a bit. I'll probably be doing my day one video later today. Thanks for listening. That's all for now, folks. Bye.